Nahdi shares soar in their trading debut, and Mubadala inks a deal for the operation of a gold project in Colombia. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Shares of Saudi-based Nahdi Medical soared on its trading debut on the local bourse after the kingdom's largest pharma retail chain raised $1.4 billion in an IPO. Nahdi's shares started trading at $42.13 against the company's IPO price of $34.93, which was the top end of its planned price range. Nahdi's IPO is the largest listing on the Saudi bourse since Saudi Aramco's record listing in 2019. Nahdi has more than 1,150 pharmacies in Saudi, catering to more than 100 million customers. It also runs polyclinics and express clinics. Mubadala Investment Company has entered into an agreement with Eris Gold for the operation of the Soto Norte gold project in Colombia. It's one of the world's largest feasibility stage gold projects. Soto Norte has a large resource base with additional significant resource upside potential. The project has the potential to be a large-scale, low-cost underground gold mining operation. FlapCap, a fintech that guides online businesses on revenue maximization and advertising spend, raised $1.2 million in its latest fundraising round. FlapCap offers online businesses AI-based insight to optimize their ad spend and maximize profits. The company also expects expansion and rapid merchant acquisition in the Middle East and Africa region. Globally, fintech funding hit $91.5 billion in the first 10 months of 2021, and there were 206 fintech unicorns by the end of the year. Hong Kong shares finished sharply higher today, resuming last week's rally. It was sparked by China's pledge to support the country's markets and its indication that the tech crackdown is nearing an end. The Hang Seng climbed 3.15% to 21,900 points. Today's rally was fueled by a more than 11% advance in Alibaba after it increased a share buyback program to $25 billion. Japanese energy giant INEOS has stopped buying crude from Russia and suspended signing any new energy deals with the country. This includes the spot purchase of LNG, among others, to lessen its energy dependency on Russia. However, INEOS will still receive crude from Russia until April from its purchase contract signed before it invaded Ukraine. Rich countries must end oil and gas production by 2034 to cap global warming at 1.5 degrees Celsius and give poorer nations time to replace fossil fuel income. That's according to a 70-page analysis from the Tyndall Center for Climate Change Research. It comes as nearly 200 nations kick off a 2-week negotiation to validate a landmark assessment of options for reducing carbon pollution and extracting CO2 from the air. Judging by his jubilant tweets, Elon Musk is relieved that Tesla's sprawling factory near Berlin is finally beginning production for Europe. Musk tweeted, "Excited to hand over the first production cars made by Giga Berlin Brandenburg tomorrow. Makes a huge difference to capital efficiency to localize production within a continent." But the timing is tricky considering the sudden high costs of materials, a global computer chip shortage, and other factors. Tesla aims to build 500,000 electric vehicles plus battery packs at that facility. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.